Man, I enjoy working for America's Home Place because every day is different. We get to help people and families realize a lifelong dream of building a custom home on their land.
I enjoy working for America's Home Place because they have given me the opportunity to build a house correctly and without any question do the right thing. If there's something that needs to be done to make it right, we go ahead and we do it. America's Home Place is a great place to work. I want it to be the last place that I work.
I enjoy working for America's Home Place mainly because the team here in Athens, Bobby's a great manager, Justin and Bill, great project managers, Cullen's a great building consultant, and Linda, she's great at production, so it just really makes coming into work fun, and we get the job done.
My fondest memory of a customer with America's Home Place isn't just one in particular, but I do very much enjoy moving in a first-time home buyer with a family, a small child, 2 people moving in. It's a really good feeling to know that we've built them a great home that's going to last them.
We recently had a customer, actually it was about a year ago, and her mother and her came to the office one morning and they brought us a breakfast casserole and set our tables up, and we all had breakfast with the customer, and it was just a really nice thought from them.
My fondest memory since working at America's Home Place actually happened last Wednesday. I went out to a client's property, and he took me to a place on his land where they're going to build their house, and it was a ridge line overlooking a beautiful field, and it was just kind of neat knowing that in about 4 or 5 months they're going to be having their morning coffee on that front porch.